We're at a point we need to create our own data, right? In following the money, you heard people, you got to follow the money. There's at least I'll talk U.S.-centric here, value-based contracting, huge trend in the U.S. And by 2030, anybody who's in a government-sponsored contract is going to be in a value-based contract. Basically, what it's saying is the old healthcare system in the United States is fee-for-service. The more you could come in, the more I do on you, I just keep paying you. That's going away. I'm only going to get a capitated environment. I'm only going to get X amount of dollars per patient per month. That's it. You syndicate your risk across a large population of patients. Now I'm on the hook to keep them healthy. So this data and this solution that we have, this is vital for them to succeed. If I can't manage meds, I can't manage risk. So I need to manage risk now.